Well, just to present to you our accomplishments on illegal drugs as of July 17. This covers the period July 1 to 17. And the total number of surrenderies for NCR alone is 18,749 surrenderies. This both covers the drug users and drug pushers. And the total number of encounters or neutralized suspected drug pushers total to 70 persons. So yung total number of arrested persons natin for the region is 636, no? You'll see yung total shabu na nakuha na is more than almost 300 kilograms na, because this includes yung recovery made by the PIDEA last first week of July together with the local police sa Las Piñas, no? So on the screen you will see there the NCRPO's accomplishment on illegal drugs. Yung the firearms also recovered total 42, and yung sinasabing nila na found dead body who are also suspected drug pushers, 37 na, the whole Metro Manila.
Sir, iba pa yun doon sa 72 na killed?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, ito yung victim ng summary execution.
Yes, yung sinasabi ng extrajudicial killing na nakikita sa kalsada na merong mga placard na drug pusher ako, wag akong tularan. Yes.
Yung 70 sir, confirm na sa drug operation?
Yes, those are drug operations na nakipag barilan sa ating mga operatiba.